Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the Please Unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed error on the Canva website. This problem usually happens when your browser, extensions, or network settings block Cloudflare security checks that Canva needs to load properly. First, disable any ad blockers, privacy extensions, or VPN services because they often stop Cloudflare verification from working properly. After that, refresh the Canva page and try again. You should also clear your browser cache and cookies because corrupted browser data can trigger this error repeatedly. Another useful fix is switching to a different browser, like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Make sure JavaScript and cookies are enabled in your browser settings because Canva and Cloudflare both require them to function correctly. If the issue continues, restart your router or switch to another internet connection because some networks may block certain Cloudflare services automatically. Finally, check your device date and time settings because incorrect system time can interfere with website security verification. In most cases, these simple fixes restore Canva access and remove the Cloudflare blocking message completely. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.